come for this Children's Film Festival at...
And there is Toto and Tayo. And the director herself is also a children to me. So, on behalf of all my colleagues, I say that we speak enough in every seminar, in every occasion. Let the children speak and let...
Eminent film director Sri Gautam Ghosh is formally inaugurating the festival brochure. Children's Film Festival 2025. A big hand. So now formally this film festival for next 7 days is being formed. Now I'll request two child artists, Toto Shan and Tayo Shan, to light the lamp. I'll request all the dignitaries and Honorable Minister to join them at the formal inaugural lighting of lamp of 11th Kolkata International Children's Film Festival 2025. A big hand. So now formally this film festival for next 7 days is being formally inaugurated by two child artists for the inaugural film, Ilham, Toto Shan and Tayo Shan, along with Honorable Ministers, Janab Farhad Hakim, Sri Arup Bishash, Sri Pratap Boshu, Dr. Shoshi Panja, Srimati Chandrima Bhattacharya, Sri Indranil Sen, along with eminent director Sri Gautam Ghosh, and the director of the opening film, Dhruv Harsh. So now is the time for photo op for the media friends. Thank you everyone. Thank you from the friends of the media. Now I'll request Sri Kaushik Boshak, Special Secretary and EO, Director of Culture, to have the welcome speech. Sri Kaushik Boshak.
Very good evening to you all. Our guests of honor, Janab Farhad Hakim, Honorable Minister in charge Urban Development, Municipal Affairs and Mayor, Kolkata. Sri Arup Bishash, Honorable Minister in charge Power and Youth Services and Sports and Housing. Sri Pratap Boshu, Honorable Minister in charge School and Higher Education. Dr. Shoshi Panja, Honorable Minister in charge Industry, Commerce, Enterprises and Women and Child Development and Social Welfare Department. Srimati Chandrima Bhattacharya, Honorable Minister of State, Finance, Environment, Health and Family Welfare, Land and Land Reforms. Sri Indranil Sen, Honorable Minister of State, Information and Cultural Affairs Department, Technical Education, Training and Skill Development and Tourism Department. Sri Gautam Ghosh, eminent filmmaker and our guest of honor. Srimati Orpita Ghosh, Director of this Children's Film Festival and Chairperson, Shishu Kishore Academy. Our distinguished guests, Tayo Chan and Toto Chan, the child artist of the opening film Ilham, and Dhruv Harsh, the director of the film Ilham. Senior government functionaries and eminent members of the film fraternity present here, and everyone in this distinguished gathering, especially the youngsters to whom this festival is dedicated. It's with immense happiness and hope that we are welcoming all to the 11th edition of the Kolkata International Children's Film Festival here today. Happiness over being able to yet again bring together a meticulously curated selection of iconic, classic and contemporary movies of our young friends in this edition of KICFF.
Inauguration of festival brochure and inauguration of exhibition from the dais. I'll request Srimati Orpita Ghosh. I'll request Sri Gautam Ghosh to formally inaugurate the festival brochure. Please have a big hand. Eminent film director Sri Gautam Ghosh is formally inaugurating the festival brochure. So that was the festival brochure. Now I'll request the friends from the media to take the photo of this moment. Festival brochure of 11th Kolkata International Children's Film Festival. Now is the time to inaugurate exhibition from the stage. I'll request honorable ministers. So formally we inaugurate the exhibition of this film festival, 11th Kolkata International Children's Film Festival 2025. Thank you all. Now I'll request Janab Firhad Hakim, Honorable Minister of Urban Development and Municipal Affairs and Mayor of Kolkata, to have his speech.
Since all the children are waiting for the film, and there is Toto and Tayo, and the director herself is also a children to me. So, on behalf of all my colleagues, I say that we speak enough in every seminar, in every occasion. Let the children speak and let the children enjoy the film, and we, the ministers, will sit on that side and listen to you and listen to and see your creation. Thank you very much.
The Mayor of Kolkata, Janab Firhad Hakim. Now I'll request Dhruv Harsh, the director of the inaugural film Elham, to have his speech.
Hi Kolkata. Thank you so much for having me here. I'd love to share something about my visit to the city long back in 2015. So when I came here with my cousin and I was sitting amongst few people and saw two of great classics, one by Francis Ford Coppola called Apocalypse Now, and the second film was made by Jabbar Panahi, Taxi. And I was sitting somewhere and the impact of the film Apocalypse Now, I'm talking about, when I went out with my cousin, I asked him to check whether Marlon Brando is still alive or not.
Few words, sir.
Honorable Ministers, Honorable Consul Generals, distinguished guests, and the wonderful young audience of Kolkata. I think it's a great moment at outside. I must express my heartfelt thanks to the government of West Bengal for supporting this festival for almost a decade, I guess. 11th year edition is this. Well, I don't know, the idea of children and teenagers has completely changed since our time because of technology, of course. The mindset has changed, perception has changed. So I really don't know which one is true children's film. Nowadays, producers, they don't really encourage children's film production because they feel that, the children's film has no market. It's very, very unfortunate. But, that's why I think this festival is very important, that you can see 116 films meant for children from 30 countries in the next week and almost in 8 venues. That's really very encouraging for children's cinema. And I'm sure that nowadays, because of technology, it has become so handy and user-friendly. Now children will make films on the adult with the cell phone.
Now I'll request Srimati Urpita Ghosh, Director of 11th Kolkata International Children's Film Festival and President of Shishu Kishore Academy, to have her speech along with the thanks gift.
Thank you very much, Shobhik. Thank you all. First of all, আমি একটু বাংলা ইংরেজি হিন্দি সব নিয়ে বলি তাহলে ভালো হয়। First of all, let me thank all the ministers like Indronilda, Indranil Sen, Sri Arup Bishwas, Janab Firhad Hakim, Brapto Boshu, Chandrama Bhattacharya, Srimati Shashi Paja. All of them, I'm very grateful to them. I'm very grateful to Gautam Ghosh. I just called him and said that, Gautam da, this is the 11th year. If you could come, he then and there said that, yes, I will. So he has come over here to encourage all of us. This is the 11th year. Let me thank Dhruv Harsh for coming to this film festival, Kolkata International Children Film Festival. Totto Chan and Tao Chan, I was so impressed that this Totto Chan name, I was asking her that who has kept the name. What a wonderful name. So, films, 12 Bengali panorama films, world cinema, 75 films from 30 countries, nature and environmental films, documentary and short films, mobile film competition this year we did. And we will show all the mobile films done by the children. This year we had started, and I was talking to Gautam da that if Gautam da could take a workshop next year for the next year, then we'll be doing it very, we can do really something good and big. So, and what, so we have this festival brochure, and I must mention that there is an exhibition we have arranged, Hate Kolome Cinema. Hate Kolome Cinema, how to make a film. From the very beginning, from the writing, from script writing to post-production to up to when you are ready with a film. So we are doing the exhibition in Gaganendra Pradarshashala. If you could kindly visit there, you will enjoy that how to make a film with the help of Rup Kala Kendra. They are supporting us. So with the help of them, we did it last year also. But last year we got many requests from children that you should continue. So this year we have kept it once again here only. And I think I have already covered all of them, I believe. And one very famous film. So that Aktara Monchu also outside, you should go and visit. That's all. I think that this year you will enjoy much more than the last year. Every year we expect you to enjoy much more than the very last year. So this year also you will enjoy, I believe. And thank you, all of you, and thanks all the ministers. They have come, and they are only because of you. They haven't spoken a single word. They said no. For children, we will not speak anything because the time will go. Please continue. They should watch the film and they should enjoy. So thank you, all of you once again. All the ministers, they have come for this Children's Film Festival. I'm so grateful to them. Thank you, the consulate people who have come from consulates. I'm so grateful to you also, all my committee members, all the staffs of INCA department, and Orijit Shubho, and once again Mamata Bandyopadhyay and IMCA department. For her only, for the Chief Minister only, we are continuing to work so smoothly and so peacefully. Thank you very much.
Kolkata International Children's Film Festival and President of Shishu Kishore Academy, Government of West Bengal. I'll request to take the front seat. I'll request all the honorable ministers to watch the film, the inaugural film, Elham. So now is the time for the inaugural film, Elham, directed by Dhruv Harsh. So it's the time to enjoy the movie. Enjoy, and we wish the grand success of 11th Kolkata International Children's Film Festival. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you.
यहाँ से डेली पास मिल जाएगा आप लोगों को। और कुछ भी ज़रूरत होगा तो यहाँ पे हेल्प डेस्क है, हेल्प डेस्क पे आप लोग पूछताछ कर सकते हो। और ये देखो थीम, यहाँ से एंट्री गेट यहाँ से है, सीधा आओगे यहाँ से तो ये जाएगा टिकट काउंटर और जो पास है हेल्प डेस्क है सब कुछ। और ये रहा थीम जुरासिक पार्क, यहाँ पे कार के ऊपर लिखा हुआ है जुरासिक वर्ल्ड, यहाँ पे है फैंटास्टिक। सो गाइस जल्दी जल्दी आ जाओ आप लोग अपने बच्चों को लेके और सारे इंटरनेशनल जो मूवी है उसका आनंद लो। और यहाँ पे पूरा डिटेल्स दिया हुआ है, फिर से एक बार दिखा देते। देखो डेट एंड टाइम दिया हुआ है, कौन सा डेट में कौन सा शो चलेगा, कौन सा डेट में कौन सा शो चलेगा, ये पूरा डिटेल्स यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है। एक झलक आप लोग देख लो और उस हिसाब से प्लान करके आ जाओ अपना बच्चों को लेके, ठीक है। तो नंदन में स्टार्ट हो रहा है, कल से मूवी होगी। आज था इसका ओपनिंग का पूरा प्रोग्राम मेरे ब्लॉग में आप लोगों को मिल जाएगा, तो पूरा देख लो। और उसके बाद कैसा लगा ज़रूर मुझे कमेंट करना। काफ़ी क्राउड है और मैं सडनली यहाँ आ गई बिना प्लान का, तो चलो ठीक है। कैसा लगा सरप्राइज़ ज़रूर बताना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना। वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक एंड शेयर कर देना, ठीक है। तो चलो फिर से मिलती हूँ न्यू डे न्यू ब्लॉग के साथ, तब तक के लिए बाय।